Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to retouch a face in your videos using CapCut for PC. If you've ever wanted your footage to look just a little more polished, maybe smoothing skin, brightening teeth, or dialing down those under-eye circles, you'll see by the end of this tutorial how approachable and powerful CapCut's face retouching tools really are. Whether you're editing a vlog, a client project, or just want to freshen up your home videos, this guide will help you create natural results, step by step. Let's dive in. First things first. Open up CapCut on your computer. Start a new project by clicking New Project, and then simply drag your video file into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Having your clip in the timeline gives you access to all the editing tools. Click directly on your video clip. You'll notice the editing options appear on the right side. This little step is what unlocks the magic of CapCut's features. If you're working with several clips, make sure to pick the exact one you want to retouch. Now, let's get to the retouching tools. At the bottom of CapCut, there's a toolbar filled with icons and options. Scroll through until you spot the one labeled Retouch. Go ahead and click on it. Don't worry if you need a moment to find it. CapCut's interface can feel a bit crowded at first, but you'll get used to it after a few tries. Within Retouch, select the Face option. CapCut uses AI to detect faces in your video, which is pretty impressive. You'll see an outline appear around the face. The software essentially says, "Hey, I've found a face to work with." This auto-detection saves you from manually masking and lets you focus on the creative decisions. Let's start adjusting the skin. Under Skin, you'll find a smoothness slider. I recommend starting with a value between 60 and 70 for most footage. This range isn't too aggressive. It preserves natural skin texture while diminishing blemishes or visible pores. If you go higher, the face can start looking plastic or unnaturally perfect. So feel free to experiment, but less is usually more here. If your lighting was a bit dim when filming, gently push the brightness slider. You'd be surprised how a touch of brightness can make the skin look fresher, almost as if the scene was filmed on a sunny day. And if there are any uneven spots, use the Even option to gently smooth blemishes or skin tone to tweak the overall hue to better match the real-life color. This is like subtle makeup. It's all about enhancing, not hiding, what's there. Now, let's refine a few more facial features. If you notice teeth could use a lift, grab the whitening slider. Picture it like using a spot of whitening toothpaste in post-production. Just a little enhancement can make a smile pop. For smile lines or wrinkles, use the Smile Lines slider to soften them. These lines express emotion, so you don't want to erase them completely. Just tone them down for a smoother appearance. If tired eyes are your concern, check out the Dark Circles slider. It's surprisingly effective, almost like instantly brightening up the areas under the eyes, lending an energetic look without getting unnatural. Lastly, CapCut lets you fine-tune face shape. There are options for slimness, face length, and more. If you want a bit of virtual contouring, nudge these sliders a little. Remember, subtlety is key. You'd be amazed at how a tiny face shape adjustment can define features on camera, similar to how professional photographers use careful lighting or posing. That's it. You've just learned to retouch a face in CapCut on PC and bring out the best in your subject in a natural, flattering way. If you found these tips useful, hit that like button. It helps a lot. If you have any questions or want advice for specific editing challenges, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more clear, practical tutorials on video editing and creative techniques. Thanks for watching and see you next time.